It's a new 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection explains the Mitsubishi Outlander takes the rational road, filling in more functional details than flair, and it adds up to high-value family appeal. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.